Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Let's start with global market. Globally, the equity markets are stabilizing as Federal Reserve officials tried to soothe concerns about inflation. The 10-year bond yield in the US is cooling off from the highs of 1.69 and currently it is trading at 1.56. It has triggered weakness in the dollar index, which is comfortably quoting below the psychological support at 90. It is positive for emerging markets as it increases inflows for the same, and same is getting reflected in the performance of the Asian markets. Even if we go through with our markets, then since the last 3 days they have infused more than 2000 crores in the equities. Crude jumped to the levels of 69 and gold erased yearly losses by surpassing the levels of 1900. On Tuesday, again the gap up opening failed to boost the sentiment of the market. Finally, market closed with nominal gains despite strong indicators globally. It means that the expiry pressure is higher in the market. It is opening higher, but it is closing lower. Technology, pharma, and FMCG stocks have offered significant support. Otherwise, the market would have closed in the negative territory. That means again, the participants are moving towards defensives. The Nifty Sensex has made a higher bottom at 15,163 and rebounded sharply to close above the previous day's closing of 15,200. It looks like that the market is preparing to cross the all-time highest level, which is at 15,431. The basic trend of the market is bullish, and our strategy should be to buy on dips or at major supports. Yesterday the market was having very good support between 15,150 160 levels. From there it rebounded. Today, in case if we see any weakness, then maybe the possibility of 15,150 120 is not ruled out, but here the market is having very good support and it should rebound from the current levels or current buying zone. On the higher side, 15,330 15,430 would be major obstacles. Yesterday also when the market opened higher, 15,300 acted as major resistance for the market. If we go through with FNO statistics from FIIs, then there also they have increased their bets on index futures and they have reduced their bets on some put options. So broadly, we are of the view that they are also looking for some short-term gains in the market. The Bank Nifty is comfortably holding above the crucial level of 34,200. That would push the index towards 35,200, 35,500 levels. There was activity in ICICI Bank as well as State Bank in yesterday's closing session. So there we are expecting further more activity. Finally, our focus should be on auto, pharmaceuticals and select FMCG stocks, also IT stocks, because a few of them like LTI or TCS did well. They closed at the highest point of the day. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in and have a great day to all of you.